Hey, I'm Gambrell, owner of Appeal Assassins. We have an appeal service that actually helps people get their accounts back no matter where they are, no matter what the reason. But we also have a new service that helps maintain account status as a preventative measure so you never get suspended in the first place. And we are going to be helping clients getting their account, keeping their account, prepping their account as Amazon changes. And keep in mind, I don't know if you know, Amazon changes quite frequently. And we always make sure that all of our clients are constantly adapting with Amazon. We are always doing the most we possibly can to help our clients know what to do, how to change, and still be effective with their business, okay? Amazon's a very powerful platform. It can definitely be a very scary platform if you don't know what to do and how to do it. Confidence is key, and if that's ever taken away from you, you're definitely going to see your business, your sales, your profits decrease. You probably have like health insurance, life insurance, car insurance, and all this insurance for your personal life. So how about putting it in your business, okay? We are here with this service, and the goal of this service is to actually maintain and make sure that you never get suspended in the first place. Because Amazon is always trying to change and make their platform better and more secure. Fraud is everywhere, and that's the reality. And we want to make sure that you are able to give Amazon confidence in your business, and you, as the Amazon seller, can immediately show that you know and have and possess everything that they ask for. This is something that I think that is very, very powerful. It's a very, very beneficial service. If you are interested, maybe you're just interested in finding out more information, click the link below or swipe up, and we will give you more information, and we can schedule a consultation and go over if it's right for you. But this is something that is you definitely want to have. You definitely at least want to look into. There's just so many people out there that put a lot of their eggs in the basket of Amazon, and then they just don't know that Amazon's changing, or Amazon doesn't like or want to see certain things. And if you're not able to uphold and do exactly what they're asking for, then you are going to be vulnerable. And nobody wants to have their entire livelihood frozen. Nobody. And that's our goal here with this service.